In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite way of simplifying radicals. I like to start by making a perfect squares list when I'm breaking down square roots, such as square root 175. I like to take the 175 and divide by the largest number in my list here, 100, and then by 81, and so forth until I find a value in the list that divides evenly into 175. As we work through this list, we'll realize that 25 is the largest perfect square that divides into 175 evenly. In fact, it's the only perfect square that divides into it evenly, and it divides in 7 times. So we can change 175 to 25 times 7. And then we can use that rule that says square root of a times b can be written as square root a times square root b to break this down into square root 25 times the square root of 7. And then we can get to our final answer by performing the square root 25. And our final answer is 5 square root 7. Let's try another one. Simplify square root of 72. Feel free to pause the video and work this one out on your own. You might have noticed there are several perfect squares from our list that divide evenly into 72. Square root 36 is the largest one, and it will get us closer to our final answer. So I am going to divide 72 by 36 and break down 72 into 36 times 2. Then I can rewrite this using the rule above to be square root 36 times square root 2, and then square root 36 is 6, so our final answer is 6 square root 2. Let's try a few more. Simplify square root of 99. There's only one perfect square in our list that divides evenly into 99, and that is the number 9. So we can rewrite 99 as 9 times 11, and then separate this out as square root 9 times square root of 11, and square root 9 equals 3. So our final answer is 3 square root 11. Let's try one more. Square root of 80. Try simplifying this one. You might have noticed there are several perfect squares in our list that will divide evenly into 80, but the largest one is 16. So that one will get us closer to our final answer the fastest. 16 times 5 is 80. So we can break this down into square root 16 times square root of 5, and square root 16 is 4, leading to our final answer of 4 square root of 5. Here's another one. Simplify square root of 243. Now if you divide 243 by the values in our list, you'll find that 81 divides in evenly 3 times. So this can be written as square root of 81 times 3, which equals square root of 81 times square root of 3. And since square root of 81 is 9, that can lead us to our final answer of 9 square root of 3. Let's try one last problem. Simplify square root of 600. Try this one on your own. Again, there are a few values from our list that divide into 600 evenly, but the largest of those is 100. Square root 600 can be written as 100 times 6, which can be written as square root of 100 times square root of 6, and square root of 100 is 10, so our final answer is 10 square root 6. I hope this helps in understanding how to simplify square roots. Please subscribe to my channel for more helpful math videos.